Back in my hometown, she's my really good friend. She like added layers, but they just grew out so much.
Where did she put them?
Here.
Oh, like up there?
Yeah.
Oh, so like you said, it's been about a year.
Yeah.
That looks about right.
Yeah. I liked it in the beginning because like when I would put my hair up in like a bun, like
Yeah, the fallout.
Yeah. But now they're like too long.
That's just face framing. That's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you running into, like with your curls? Like any issues that you're like, ugh, I wish this or that, or right when you came in here, you're like, ugh, it's so flat.
Yeah.
I was like, your hair looks amazing.
And just like frizziness.
Okay.
Sometimes I like the frizzy. It just depends on the day.
I do too. It's pretty.
Thank you.
But tell me about the flat. Where are you feeling flat?
At the top, when I feel like I put too much product in. Sometimes. Like, this is no product.
How do you feel about that with the no
product?
product?
I kind of like no product.
Me too.
I feel like I should be using less. But I simplified it. Like now I only use like Fenty curl cream. Before I was using like honey mousse and like curl custard.
Like a bunch of stuff in there?
Yeah, a bunch of stuff.
Well, less is always more, especially with curly hair. It is easy to weigh it down. And some people will weigh it down intentionally because they're like, oh, I got to get rid of the frizz.
Yeah.
So they'll shellac it. They'll load it up with a bunch of product. And that, yeah, you might get the control out of it, but it lives very boring. It's fun to see this with no product in it because I'm loving the lightness and the airiness of it. And I just got to say, the fact that you haven't cut it in a year, you're doing pretty good. It tells me you got pretty resilient hair. I mean, you have a lot of volume, even with the little bit of layers like that you have. Do you like to wear it so long? And it looks so good. You see how full it is like down here? Like most people who got it down there that long, it wouldn't be that full. That's got a nice solid, line to it. Part of that is because of how few layers you have too. If we went all crazy, like, oh, we're gonna get you a bunch of shape, it would get a little bit more see-through down there. And I don't think you would like it as much. But where we can play is what you showed me your friend did, like with those face framing pieces. That we can go to town on that. So if you're ever, like you said, putting it up and you wanted, this stuff's coming up, you're tying it back, and you wanted these to kind of like fall out, you could hit your cheekbones, your lip line, your jaw, and like to kind of trickle that down into the front. So that way, no matter where you toss it, up, down, left, right, you got that vibe. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Does that make you nervous?
No, I'm excited.
Okay, good.
Like I needed a little something.
Little pick you up.
Change, yeah.
Awesome. That's great. It's gonna be really hard for me to sit here and school you on your curls when this is what your hair looks like doing whatever it is that you're doing.
I'm doing that thing.
That probably has a lot to do with it because some people are doing the most and it affects their hair. Less is definitely more. I love both.
Sometimes I do this like halfway. So
that's how we got to start it. Sometimes I do this. Yeah, I like all of those. Yeah. So that's actually important. I'm glad that you brought that up. If you like to wear your hair a bunch of different ways, I got to be careful about the shortest point that we start those face framers because that might limit you. You might let's say for example, like you have it here this way. If I cut any of those too short, one that you like going over this way might be like, nope, because it's too short. Yeah. So I'm going to leave those a little bit longer just so that no matter where you throw it, there's enough length to sit wherever it is that you want to sit. This way, any which way. I want it to work for you. I want it to be completely versatile for you. If I had to cut any off, like where would you be mad at me if I had to move it up a little bit?
I would be mad if we went like this short. I feel like this is no.
That's like half of it.
Yeah.
We won't do that.
Even here, I feel like is that where you want to go? That's too short.
I'm not even going that high. I'm literally gonna like click, click, click. I'm just gonna do the tiniest little. Yeah. Nothing major. I'm just gonna clean it. Where we spend that time, you're just gonna see more face framing. That's it. Yeah, it's just gonna be less is more for sure. Because
I know.
How do you make that better? That's awesome. Do you diffuse or do you air dry?
Air dry.
That's probably why she's getting a little bit that might be why you're getting a little bit of that stretch on the top.
Yeah.
Just because when it has the water in it and it's drying, it's a little heavier. So you're not seeing that curl pattern come all the way up to the root. I'm betting that when we diffuse you, because we're not going to let you sit here and air dry, we'll diffuse you and you're probably going to get that pattern way up. And that'll be really pretty.
I just feel like when I diffuse it, it's like hella dry, like and frizzy.
Well, I'm not mad about the frizz, are you?
No, but it's like a different level of frizz when I diffuse it.
Well, Tamara knows a couple moves. We'll definitely get to show you like how she's doing what she's doing, and I think you'll like it. It'll be more along these lines, like more lived in, looser, chill, but it won't be like blasted out. I think you're gonna like it. You'll have some definition in there, but mixed into that this vibe right here that I don't want to change. I love that.
Okay.